Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you're watching the post market show. Let us look into the market, and from the thumbnail and title of the video, you know that it is a breakout finally that we have been waiting for, and it is on the upside. So, definitely, it is good for the markets, it is good for the investors. So, overall, let us look and analyze what happened today. To give a brief recap, the a monthly expiry of the June series was on last Wednesday, and because Thursday was a holiday, and after holiday today markets opened, and it opened with a slight gap up, and then it was a huge uptrending day today. And let's look into the charts and analyze the same. So I have the 15-minute chart in front of me. This is a Nifty 15-minute chart, and you can see the markets opened with a gap up, and then it continued to move up throughout the day. Nifty up by 216 points, up by 1.14 percentage. So good to see Nifty ending almost at the day high, and the closing price is 19,189. So a very good day for Nifty. And not only that, Bank Nifty also closed at an all-time high level of 44,747 levels, up by 419 points, or close to 1% up. So this is very good for Nifty and Bank Nifty both. And it was again, if you look at the overall sectors, and even the large caps and small caps and mid caps, all of them are up. Mid caps are up by 0.66 percentage, and Nifty small caps are up by 0.49 percentage. Sector wise, only one sector ended in the red, that two very slightly, that is Nifty metals. We can say that it has ended almost flat, but apart from that, all other sectors ended in the green, with Nifty IT moving the highest. You can see a huge green candle, in fact up by 2.5 percentage. So it's a fantastic rally in the uh, Nifty IT sector. Coming to Nifty PSU banks, it is also up by 2.06 percentage, and then we have Nifty private banks, which are also up, and it is up by 1.17 percentage, and Nifty pharma is up by 1.06 percentage. So these are the top gaining sectors of the day, and as I said before, all other sectors have ended in the green. And you can see the Nifty 50 stocks. I think almost most of the stocks have ended in the green, with Nifty heavyweights such as Infosys, HDFC Bank, TCS, HDFC, Reliance, L&T. So all heavyweight stocks except for L&T are on the top winning or top gaining, top gainers for Nifty. So that is definitely contributed a huge, a lot of points on the upside. So that is the situation. So good to see large cap stocks performing well. And again, FII, DII buying and selling figures show that both of them have turned net buyers. FII buying for another 6,000, close to 6,400 crores, and DII is also buying for very close to 1,200 crores. So very good data coming from both of them. Both of them are net bullish, and exactly what is reflected in the market as well. Markets have also moved up significantly today. So this is what has happened today. Coming to economic calendar, we have today we had the euro area inflation rate coming out at 5.5 percentage. Expectation was 5.6. It came out slightly lower than that. Very good. It is positive. It's a positive outcome, so that is good to see. And unemployment rate also came out. It is exactly same as what was anticipated. So no changes happening over there. So it's overall a positive market. Now coming to US markets, and if you look at US markets right now, the S&P 500 up by 1.3 percentage, Dow Jones up by 0.89 percentage, Nasdaq up by 1.68 percentage. All US markets have ended in the green. Coming to Asian markets, the UK market is slightly lower, but apart from that, we have the French and the German markets all significantly up, more than 1% definitely. And Asian markets, Chinese market and Korean markets are up, and Japanese and Hong Kong markets are slightly down. So this is the situation in the Asian markets. Now, if you look at the VIX, India VIX has collapsed once again. It is at 10.8. US VIX is also coming down, and it is at 13.06. Crude oil prices have shot up slightly from those lower levels at 70.51, and gold prices are again still facing resistance. As we can see, 1923 is the level of resistance for gold, and it is still trading at that level. Dollar index, let us look at that. Dollar index has fallen, obviously. As I've said before, it is correlated with the equity stocks, and dollar index falling is a positive indication, hence the markets are up as well. So this is the situation overall. And talking about next week's expiry, we have the 6th of July expiry in front of us, and Nifty put call ratio is extremely good. It is at 1.63, and that indicates massive amount of bullishness. And open interest wise, 19,100 and 19,100, a good amount of open interest on the downside, and upside people are hardly building any selling anything, and the highest call buildup seems to be at 19,500 levels. So this is the situation, very very bullish price action from Nifty. Bank Nifty also not lagging behind. Put call ratio at 1.46, slightly lower than Nifty, but it is still very very bullish, with a lot of puts being added into the system today, with 44,500 adding the highest amount of put buildup. So this is good to see. And upside resistance wise, we have two levels. One is 44,800 and then 45,000. So let's see what is crossed first. And coming to price action based levels, since Nifty is trading at uncharted territories, it is difficult to say where it will head or which resistance it will take. So what I've done is I've made a Fibonacci retracement to see where the markets are most likely to be headed, and based on that we can expect resistance to come around 19,280 plus or minus 10-15 points. And support wise, definitely this level in 19,030 25 to 30 levels is important, and more importantly coming below 18,887, that was the previous all-time high. These are the levels which are important for Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, what we see here is Bank Nifty is on the uptrend as it was for the last 4 days, and Bank Nifty is up by almost 400 points today. So what to expect? Let's move into the 15-minute chart and see. Bank Nifty is, since it is bullish, 44,700 is what it is. So 45,000 absolutely is the next logical resistance level. Down below 44,500 and 44,150, these are the levels to watch out for. And I think we have covered most of the things. It is a holiday tomorrow and day after because of the weekend, and let's see what happens on Monday. US markets are positive, all global markets are mostly positive, and definitely expecting the uptrend to continue. People were waiting for a trend for a very very long time, and I think this is one of the good trends, or a huge breakout. I think is the first of this year. So good to see markets are moving up despite everyone thinking it is a negative, and let's see where it goes and how it reacts. So based on that we will be taking our decisions constantly. So this is all from my side. Thank you for watching and have a very nice weekend ahead.